Today's project is going to be a bit different. I will make a ring with hot glue. And this hot glue gun that I have, it's very old, and I was going to use it like a year ago because I wanted to make a huge lamp, but I didn't have any glue sticks left, so I went to the grocery store and bought some on the craft section. And those glue sticks are so bad that you can't even glue paper with it. So I didn't know what to do with the glue sticks, so I figured maybe I should just throw them away or what to do. But I came up with an idea, and I'm going to show you today what I did with them. I have these silicone molds that I usually use for making flowers in UT, but I figured I'll just try with this glue gun and see what happens. And I will do that today. So we'll see what I'm going to do. I already have a glue stick in there. I have a couple more here so that I can fill up. And when you do this, you have to make sure that you get in every corner of the flower, and you start in the bottom of it, of the mold, and you just put the glue and take your time so that the glue will be even, and try to push it in really good. And try not to get air into it, but it doesn't matter because we're going to paint it later. You see, this glue is very thick. Or if it's the glue gun, it's too old, I don't know. Like that. And you leave this to dry. And it's clear now, but it will turn almost white as it cools off. You can try and do this to tap it down a bit, but I don't know if it will work because this glue is really thick. Or if it's my glue gun that's not hot enough, I don't know. I have to get a new one. We're just gonna leave it to cool off there. And you see, it didn't take much glue to make this. This is a ring base that I have, and if you want to, you can push it down into the hot glue when it's hot. I did that with this one, and I also put extra hot glue on the sides to be able to hold it. And it's sturdy, but it's a bit lumpy, I think. Not so pretty. And I also painted it, and you can paint it with whatever color you have, but I have a bit of a different nail polishes, so I used that one. I'll show you which one I used. I have, no, not that one. I think I used this pale pink in the bottom, and then I put this, I don't know if it's pink, dark red, purplish glitter on top of it. So I painted it. And you can also use a top coat on top of it. And it will keep it nice and fine and shiny. See, like this? This is a larger one that I have. So now I will glue it with my Loctite super glue. First I have the activator. The ones I had before, or the one I had before was a spray, but this is like a pen. Put it on. And you let it dry a little. Use it on the Ringbase as well. And then you put glue on this one. When you've done that, you just put the Ringbase onto the shape. And if I were you, I would also paint this side with nail polish so it will look nicer. I didn't do that this time. Now, I'll hold this for 20 seconds. And don't glue your fingers together, please. I've done that. It's not nice. It hurts when you're splitting your fingers apart, I'm telling you. Like that. There you go. You have a nice ring. It looks like this. And you don't have to use bright colors in this. You can have white, you can paint it in any sort of color you like. I'm sure that there are a lot of women there who's very great at painting. So you can figure out how good it will really look if you could paint. I will try and find some links to Amazon where you can buy molds like this, but you can use silicone molds for ice cubes that you can find at the grocery stores. And these are really for clay and UT and stuff like that, but it works just perfect with hot glue. And I hope you like this video, and please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!